Welcome back to another Aquilus Getting Started video. In this video, we're going to learn about linked targets. A linked target is an item inside of Aquilus that enables a user to create only a single parent target inside of Aquilus that can be used to access multiple hosts with the same login credentials with equivalent access control. In essence, users create one linked target in order to save on creating multiple targets for multiple hosts. In order to do this, a user only needs a single target created, which is called the parent target, within a linked target item. So let's go ahead and see how this is done. So you can always go into the docs, as always, to the linked target page to see how to do everything by the CLI as well as the console. We're going to show how to do this via the console. So if you go back to your console, go ahead to targets, and as you can see here, I have a MySQL target already with a host name and all the information to log in, and I can already grab a dynamic secret using this target. Now what I want to do is go ahead and create a linked target. So we'll go to new, go down to linked target, so linked over here, click next. We'll call this the MySQL linked target. Go ahead and click next. Here we're going to choose the parent target. This is the single target that you're going to need in your account, as long as, of course, the credentials are the same in all the hosts. Okay, the next thing we want to do is we're going to add a host, which is a second machine that we have running, which also has the same MySQL, similar MySQL instance with the same root privilege, the root credentials. So I'll go ahead and call this, let's say, MySQL2. Okay. And once we go ahead and click finish, everything should be as normal. And what we can do is then go back to secrets and keys. We can go to our MySQL dynamic secret here. And now here you can see that the target properties are, it's only set to a single target. So let's go ahead and create a second one, and we'll create a dynamic secret for MySQL. And we'll just call this MySQL linked dynamic secret. And what we're going to do is, for this target, we're actually going to use the linked target. Now, remember, it has only one actual host that is the parent target, but it has another host associated with it that will also work when we request a dynamic secret for that host. Okay, we'll go ahead and grab our gateway as usual. Go ahead and click finish. And once that's done being created, we can simply go into that linked dynamic secret. And now when we click on get dynamic secret, I now have the option to get a dynamic secret from the parent target host, which of course we know works because that is the target inside of our account. But then if I go ahead and get a dynamic secret from the second MySQL instance, I can go ahead and click get dynamic secret. And here are temp credentials for that second host, which we can go ahead and log into. And just like you would do that for your regular dynamic secret that you would have created for your regular target inside of Aquilus. And you can go ahead and test that out. You can see previous target video to show you how you would log in to the MySQL instance exactly the same way that's done. And that's how linked targets can be done in order to get a dynamic secret for multiple hosts. You can also do this with rotated secrets. And it also works with our secure remote access. So thanks so much for watching. See you in the next video.